Imagine a creature that can blind you from 10 feet away. It doesn't need to bite. It doesn't even need to touch you. All it has to do is look at you, contract a muscle, and launch 2 jets of liquid poison straight into your eyes. This isn't science fiction, this is the world of the red-spitting cobra. For this remarkable serpent, venom is more than just a tool for hunting. It's a long-range defensive weapon deployed with breathtaking speed and accuracy. This ability has earned it a reputation as one of Africa's most formidable snakes. A true master of chemical warfare that commands caution from all who cross its path. This isn't just a random spray and pray tactic. The red-spitting cobra, or Naja pallida, is a calculated marksman. It aims for the most sensitive area it can find, the eyes. The venom causes excruciating pain and immediate, often temporary, blindness. That gives the cobra the seconds it needs to escape a threat. A curious human, a bold mongoose, a hungry bird of prey. The act is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, perfected over millions of years. The red-spitting cobra is without a doubt a stunningly beautiful snake. Its common name is no exaggeration. Its scales shimmer in brilliant shades of red, salmon pink, vibrant orange. This fiery coloration is often punctuated by a stark black band that wraps around its throat, just below the head. This band, sometimes accompanied by 1 or 2 more, serves as a striking visual warning, a teardrop, marking that makes the cobra instantly recognizable. Its body is sleek and muscular, typically growing to a length of about 2 to 4 feet. Its eyes are large and dark, giving it an alert and intelligent appearance that belies its dangerous capabilities. While all cobras belong to the famed Naja genus, the red-spitting cobra possesses unique traits that set it apart from its relatives. The formidable king cobra, the Egyptian cobra. The most obvious difference, of course, is its primary mode of defense. While other cobras can and sometimes will spit, species like the red-spitting cobra have taken this ability to an entirely new level. They have specialized fangs with forward-facing discharge orifices, specifically designed for projecting venom over a distance. Another key difference lies in its behavior and temperament. The red-spitting cobra is generally considered to be more nervous and flighty than many other cobra species. It is quick to rear up and display its hood at the first sign of danger, and it will choose to spit long before it considers striking with a bite. A larger cobra, like the forest cobra, might be more inclined to stand its ground and engage physically, but the red spitter prefers to keep its distance, using its ranged attack to create an opportunity for a swift retreat. It's a strategy that prioritizes self-preservation over confrontation. The mechanism behind the red-spitting cobra's famous defense is a marvel of biological engineering. It begins with powerful compressor muscles surrounding the venom glands, located on either side of its head. When the cobra decides to spit, these muscles contract violently, squeezing the glands, forcing venom at high pressure down through hollow fangs. But here's the clever part. The exit holes on the fangs, known as orifices, are not at the very tip like most venomous snakes. Instead, they sit on the front surface shaped to create a fine, focused jet stream instead of a dribble. It's a system built for projection. What's truly astonishing is the cobra's accuracy. It actively aims for the eyes. A full-grown red-spitting cobra can accurately reach 6 to 8 feet, some reports say up to 10 feet. Beyond its famous spit, the red-spitting cobra leads a life full of surprising details. One of the most fascinating is its relationship with termite mounds. These towering structures of hardened earth are central to the cobra's existence. They're not just a place to hide from predators or the scorching sun, they're thermal regulators. The internal temperature of a termite mound stays remarkably stable, giving the cold-blooded cobra a perfect environment to maintain its body temperature. These mounds are often home to other animals like rodents, lizards, turning the cobra's shelter into a conveniently stocked larder, a one-stop shop for safety and sustenance. Another wild fact is that these cobras are born ready for battle. From the moment they hatch from their leathery eggs, baby red-spitting cobras are fully equipped with their defensive arsenal. A hatchling, though only a few inches long, has functional venom glands. It also has the innate ability to spit with surprising accuracy. Their venom is just as potent, ounce for ounce, as an adult's. There is no learning curve for survival. It's a hardwired instinct, a crucial advantage for a small snake in a big, dangerous world. People might not know that red-spitting cobras are primarily nocturnal or crepuscular, dawn-dusk. During the blistering heat of the African afternoon, they're usually tucked away in their cool retreats. The venom of the red-spitting cobra is, honestly, a sophisticated chemical weapon, finely tuned for its defensive purpose. As mentioned, it's predominantly cytotoxic, which means it's designed to destroy cells and tissues. When this venom makes contact with the eyes, the effect is, well, pretty much instantaneous and agonizing. The victim experiences a severe burning sensation, like acid or hot sand has just been thrown into their face. This is quickly followed by intense inflammation, swelling of the eyelids, convulsive spasms that force the eyes shut tight. The main goal of the venom isn't really to kill, but to incapacitate and blind the threat, giving the cobra a chance to escape. If the venom gets into the eyes, the resulting condition is known as venom ophthalmia. While the blindness is usually temporary, it does require immediate and thorough rinsing with water or another bland liquid to flush those toxins away. If left untreated, the cytotoxic components can cause serious damage to the cornea, leading to scarring and permanent blindness. In the intricate web of the African savanna's food chain, the red-spitting cobra plays a crucial dual role. It's both a skilled predator and sometimes vulnerable prey. As a hunter, it's a highly efficient regulator of small animal populations. Its diet is varied and opportunistic, mostly consisting of rodents, rats, mice, frogs, toads, lizards, birds. By preying on these animals, the cobra helps keep their numbers in check. This control is vital for preventing crop damage and disease spread. Its keen sense of smell allows it to track prey to their burrows, and its slender body can follow inside. The cobra's hunting technique is all about stealth and patience. Sometimes it'll just lie in wait. Once it bites, it injects its potent venom, then often releases the prey and tracks it by scent as the toxins take effect. Despite its defenses, the red-spitting cobra isn't invincible. It faces natural enemies from all sides. It can be tough for people to appreciate the importance of an animal that seems so threatening, but red-spitting cobras are absolutely vital components of their ecosystems. Their role as a mid-level predator is fundamental to maintaining environmental balance. By controlling populations of small mammals, especially rodents, they perform an invaluable service. In areas where snake populations have been wiped out, rodent numbers can explode, leading to major agricultural damage and an increased spread of rodent-borne diseases that can affect livestock and humans. The cobra acts as a natural form of pest control. It's a free form of pest control. Plus, these snakes contribute to the overall health of the food web. They serve as a significant food source for their own predators like mongooses. The venom itself, while dangerous, actually holds immense potential for scientific and medical research. Snake venoms are complex cocktails of proteins. Scientists are studying these toxins to develop new drugs. By acting as an indicator species, the health of red-spitting cobra populations can also tell us a lot about the health of the savanna ecosystem as a whole. The conservation status of the red-spitting cobra is currently listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. This designation means that, right now, the species isn't facing an immediate threat of extinction across its entire range. Its population is considered relatively stable and widespread throughout its East African habitat. That's definitely good news, but it's not a reason for complacency. The world is changing rapidly, and the pressures facing wildlife are mounting every year. The primary threat to the red-spitting cobra, like so many wild animals, is habitat loss and fragmentation, savanna, scrubland. These habitats are increasingly converted into agricultural land settlements and infrastructure. This not only shrinks the available territory for the snakes but also breaks it up into smaller, isolated patches. This fragmentation can prevent cobras from finding mates, limit their access to prey, and increase the likelihood of negative encounters with humans. Human-wildlife conflict is another significant challenge. Education is key to fostering coexistence. Teaching local communities about the snake's behavior, like its preference for avoiding conflict and its clear warning signs, can help reduce unnecessary killings. Promoting simple measures like keeping homesteads clear of debris and removing rodent-attracting refuse can also minimize the chances of a cobra taking up residence too close for comfort. Protecting large tracts of its native savanna habitat is crucial. We can help ensure that the crimson sniper of the savanna continues to thrive.